Let's see how to use Google Drive. First, open your web browser. Now sign in to your Google account. If you are already signed in, you can see on the top right corner there is a profile icon. Beside your profile icon, you can see Google Apps icon. Click there. From there, you can directly go to Google Drive or search Google Drive and go to the first website. Now click sign in again on the top right corner. This is Google Drive. Here you can upload your image, videos, etc. On the top left corner you can see new option. Click on new. Now you can directly upload your file or folder or create a new folder. Now I am creating a new folder. My photos. A new folder has been created. Open that folder. Now again click new and upload your photos. Now select the photo or photos you want to upload. I am selecting two photos. On the bottom right corner you can see those photos are uploading. You can see the right option there. That means photo has been uploaded. Close that. Again go to my drive. You can upload folder also. Click on new option again and click folder upload. Now you can select the folder you want to upload and click upload. Click upload again. Now upload has been done. You can open the folder and see this. Here you can see a video has been uploaded too. You can upload video from file upload. Now if you want to delete, just click on the right button of your mouse and click remove. It will delete. Now this folder has not deleted entirely. It has been in the trash option. Click trash, you can see this folder. If you want to delete this permanently, right click there and click delete forever. That's all.